everybody, I am the scientist here. We haven't come up with a great name right now, but we're working on it. Well, anyway, we are doing the vinegar and baking soda prank. So, in 3, 2, 1, let's get started. We're gonna go a little... Alright, we're gonna start. We're gonna start with the amateurs. We're gonna start by doing this. It appeals to be doing more baking soda. It appears to be bubbling, like soda. Alrighty, so now time for the grand finale. A little bit more baking soda. You know what? And a little bit more. Okay. Grand finale time. Whoa. Thank you for watching, guys, and for more, why not like and subscribe, and goodbye.